at this form of how we assess by now inviting Dr. Allison to do the presentation.
Thank you so much. Boy, it is really my pleasure to be here with you this afternoon. Been in your country for just a day, got here yesterday afternoon, but I was doing a little research for the last couple of days, last couple of weeks when Dr. Cornwell invited me. And what a privilege to be in a World Heritage Site. Oh my goodness, UNESCO has acknowledged you to have a World Heritage Site, and I said yes. And I've been in the classroom for over 20 years, closer to 25. I have been in special education. I have been a prep school principal. I have been in tertiary education as an administrator. I have taught at a teacher's college in Jamaica, Michael University College. I teach master's and undergrad students who are getting ready to go out to be teachers. My core subject is special education. So guess what I've surmised, guys? The hardest job in the world is teaching. So you have the hardest job in the world. So being fair means giving each student or each learner what they need. So being fair means figuring out what you're going to do with each child. It might mean giving a student a few extra sentences so that they can keep up. It might mean keeping them in after school, but we're going to talk about that. Do you think intelligence is fixed? You think that as we come into the classroom, so we're bright or so we're not so bright? Is intelligence fixed? Or is there something that we can do about it? But in that same classroom, you will have people from a rich background and a poor background that don't stay the same. They don't learn the same way. They're not motivated the same way. The biggest challenge in your classroom is how you can motivate them. How do you motivate these students who have different interests, who are going home? I drove in from the airport. I have not seen your whole country. But from the airport here, you have a lot of poverty. You have a lot of poverty, just like us in Jamaica. Everywhere in the Caribbean. I took the wrong road. I was told I took the wrong road. I should have gone a different road. Poverty means that when you send that homework home, there's no guarantee that there is a desk with a light and a quiet spot. How they must do the essay that you have given them and the math problems if there is no quiet spot? How must they do it if the parents are out working, if there's no support? So in a Dutch home, there'll be light, there'll be someone there to tutor them, to help them, and to maybe somebody there to guide them. Who are your special needs children in the classroom?